Click cell G4. You want to use a nested if function to calculate owner bonuses. Bonus amounts are based on 2020 sales and performance rating values. At the left of the formula bar, click the Insert Function button. The Insert Function dialog box opens. Click the or select it. Excel displays a list of function categories. Click Logical. The Logical Function list displays. In the Select a Function box, click If. The If function is selected. Click OK. The Function Arguments dialog box opens with the insertion point in the Logical Test text box. Type F4 =3 in. Press Tab. The first if statement tests for a performance rating of 3. Next, you will enter a value in the Value if True text box. Type D4 *.1 in the Value if True text. Press Tab. If the performance rating is 3, the bonus amount will be 10% of 2020 sales. If the performance rating is not 3, there are two alternative outcomes. You will enter a nested if statement in the Value if False text box to account for both of these outcomes. Type if, open parenthesis, F4 =2, D4 *.05, 0, close parenthesis, in the Value if False text box. If the performance rating equals 2, then the bonus amount will be 5% of 2020 sales. If the performance rating is a value other than 3 or 2, the bonus amount is $0. Click OK. The Function Arguments dialog box closes, and Excel returns a value of $73,000 in cell G4.